Thank you for staying tuned to WION. I'm Samiksha Srivastava. Let's get started quickly with the top headlines you're tracking this hour. IDF announces the localized tactical pause of military activity for the distribution of humanitarian aid will not apply to Gaza City, describes the area as a dangerous combat zone. Yemen's Al Jumaria channel reports that the Prime Minister of the Iran-backed Houthi rebels, Ahmad al-Rawahi, is killed in an apartment in Sana'a during the Israeli strikes on Thursday. Thailand's Constitutional Court sacks suspended Prime Minister Paetongtarn Shinawatra and her cabinet over a handling of the country's border row with Cambodia.
मैं आप सबसे आग्रह करता हूं, कम मेक इन इंडिया, मेक फॉर द वर्ल्ड.
Come, make in India, make for the world, Prime Minister Modi tells business leaders in Japan. The Indian Prime Minister is on a two-day visit to the country where he will be holding summit talks with his counterpart Shigeru Ishiba. Mumbai's Eastern Freeway witnesses massive traffic jam ahead of Maratha protest at Azad Maidan as lakhs of Maratha supporters are joining today's peaceful protest at the location. BJP and Congress workers clash in Patna during a protest carried out by the ruling party over the abusive language used against Prime Minister Narendra Modi during Rahul Gandhi's rally in poll-bound Bihar. Many Indian companies are looking to increase production in Africa to increase their exports to the United States. Companies are planning to leverage tariffs as low as 10% in some African countries and shield themselves from 50% tariffs for goods from India. India's double Olympic medalist Neeraj Chopra finishes second in the Zurich Diamond League. Germany's Julian Weber wins the javelin event with a throw of over 90 meters.